Here's how people actually earn views on YouTube and how you can earn views too. Hello TubeBuddies! We know how hard it is to create content and not have it perform. We've seen a lot of creators, whether they're just starting on YouTube or have been around for a couple of years, say things like this: "I'm doing everything right. The YouTube algorithm hates me and it just doesn't work. Why am I not getting any views?" When it comes to earning views on YouTube, a lot of people can find it to be a complete mystery. That's why we want to show you how YouTube views are earned and how you can use the TubeBuddy tools to help you earn more views on YouTube. Let's start with YouTube search and discovery. This is more commonly known as the YouTube algorithm. When it comes to YouTube, a lot of people confuse how they think the algorithm works with how the algorithm actually works. We're going to be sourcing from YouTube directly, and all of the sources will be linked in the description down below. Speaking of YouTube as the source, let's talk about what YouTube actually wants to happen. YouTube wants us, as creators, to create content viewers want to watch, and they want our videos to keep viewers on YouTube watching more and staying on the YouTube platform. This is supposed to be as simple as a straight line. Here's how it's supposed to work. The creator creates the video, optimizes it, and puts it on YouTube. YouTube, using metadata and early performance, knows how and where to share it out. With that data collected, YouTube ranks, suggests, and recommends the video to viewers who are most likely to watch and enjoy the video. YouTube calls this the algorithm follows the audience. And you may have heard other YouTube experts say this too.
The audience really provides the fuel for the algorithm: likes, engagement, comments, things like average view duration, audience retention.
All the hit rate's trying to do is follow the audience to understand the user behavior of the audience.
So the way we think about it is our job is to follow the audience, because by listening to the audience, we'll do a better job of giving them what they want.
YouTube is trying to match videos with the people who are most likely to watch those videos. The problem is, creators try to do what they think will make YouTube happy. What they should do instead is pay attention to what the audience likes and is telling the creators through their view and watch time within YouTube analytics. This ends up making a bad love triangle between the creator, YouTube, and the viewer. The creator is trying to make the YouTube algorithm happy. The YouTube algorithm is trying to match viewers with the video they're most likely to watch and stay on the platform. And the viewer is trying to either be entertained or learn something new. As creators, we need to remember that there are billions of videos on YouTube, and while we may want YouTube to recommend every video we make, YouTube wants to recommend videos that they know will earn views and keep people watching. As creators, there are things we can do to help YouTube do this. By understanding how YouTube's system works, we can start playing by their rules. It is important to note that this is only for YouTube's search and discovery system. The YouTube terms of service, copyright, etc. are all really large topics and really deserve their own independent video. We're just going to be focusing on search and discovery. But if you'd like to see videos on those other subjects, let us know in those comments down below. Speaking of letting people know, we want to let you know what YouTube is paying attention to when recommending your content against others. YouTube is paying attention to what a viewer watches, what they don't watch, how much time they spend watching when they do watch a piece of content, how a viewer rates the video with a like or dislike, if a viewer gives the not interested feedback, and if the viewer watches multiple pieces of content from a creator. Instead of trying to please YouTube and the algorithm, it's a much better idea for you to pay attention to what your audience watches and likes from you as a creator. To see what your audience has watched and enjoyed from you, let's head over to YouTube Analytics using the TubeBuddy quick links. From the TubeBuddy drop-down menu, click on Analytics. This will take you to your Analytics overview page. On the overview page, we want to set this to the last 90 days. If you're a newer creator and you don't have that as an option, select the most amount of time available to you. This will show us our most popular uploads. You may not have as many depending on your amount of videos. This helps directly answer what a viewer watches from you specifically. If you have more uploads, at the bottom here, you can click on See More to see your most popular 50 uploads. To see what viewers are not watching, we recommend expanding your analytic range to the lifetime of your channel in the top right-hand corner. Then, we recommend downloading your analytics under the Video tab because YouTube only shows us the top 50 uploads. If all you have is 50 uploads, this is easier to see. Another option is trying out channelreviews.com from us here at TubeBuddy to see your best and worst performing videos by data. Continuing on, let's look at how much time viewers spend watching your content. Staying in YouTube Analytics, click on Watch Time and then click on See More. This shows you which videos people are spending the most time watching from you as the creator. Watch time is one of the most important stats when it comes to YouTube. The final thing we can see in analytics is what viewers like and dislike from you as the creator. You can do so by clicking on Views here. Then, select See More. Once done, click on the blue plus button here, and under Interaction, select Likes versus Dislikes. YouTube also shows you under Analytics what other videos your viewers watch. So, if you don't keep viewers watching and liking your videos, someone else will. All of these things are what the YouTube algorithm considers when sharing out a piece of content. The YouTube algorithm is designed to make viewers happy, but not necessarily creators. As a creator, when our content makes viewers respond in a positive way, and they watch more content, we earn more views. Again, focus on creating content that makes your viewers watch your content, but also content that you enjoy making. That's how YouTube tries to help you earn more views. YouTube is like any relationship. If they tell you what they want from you, and you don't pay attention or care about what they tell you, you can't be surprised when they're unresponsive. Let's get out of this love triangle with YouTube and into a healthy relationship with YouTube. We've only scratched the surface of this topic, but don't worry. This is part 1 of our series on how to get more views on YouTube with TubeBuddy. To see part 2, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on when part 2 drops. Be sure to click that playlist on screen to see 3 reasons why you're not getting views on YouTube and other helpful YouTube related content. I'm Andrew Cam from TubeBuddy. Now, let's take back control of our YouTube content.